Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Slim Shape and Sculpt. But before we get into that, this is exactly why I made my research guide, so you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit or not. So link below in the description, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just a DVD or a CD that you watch or follow to follow exercises or dances that can help you burn fat. And if you're wondering if this is actually good or legit or not, let's read some reviews here. So, got a great workout. Love the Leslie Walk DVDs. Slim and Shape Sculpt. Don't use it all the time. I go from ballet to DVDs. This is good for getting up heart rate. The upper body moves are good to add to calorie burn. Misleading. I brought this product and was very misleading. I didn't receive the stepper that is shown on the cover in the description. If you don't, it doesn't tell you the stepper is included. A good attempt to incorporate strength training, fast walking. DVD got here, okay? Leslie, some blah 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 blah. So maybe this product is very good, but do you really want to spend $6 or more just from watching a DVD? I would advise you, if you were saving on money, I would advise you to just watch it on YouTube or something else. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.